So here is some much needed good news for federal employees. On September 30th, Judge Paul Friedman, a federal judge in Washington, D.C., blocked the Trump administration's attempt to strip collective bargaining rights from most federal workers represented by IFPTE and several sister unions. In plain English, that means your union rights stand for now, because the court found that the president went beyond his legal authority. Again. Here's what happened. Back in March, the White House issued an executive order citing national security as the reason to exclude about 2/3 of the federal workforce from federal labor law. Then in August, they tried to expand that order even further. Unions, including IFPTE, challenged it in court. After a hearing, Judge Friedman issued a preliminary injunction right from the bench. He called the order ultra vires, which means beyond the president's power, because it showed hostility toward unions, treated some unions differently than others, and skipped over the statute's requirement for an individualized agency-by-agency analysis. And if the president wasn't going to do that work, the court certainly was not going to do it for him. So what does this mean for you? If you are represented by IFPTE at the Environmental Protection Agency or Department of Defense, or part of the AFT's Overseas Federation of Teachers, the trade unions named in the case, the Metal Trades Department, and IAM at the Coast Guard, or OPEIU at the Energy Department, your collective bargaining agreements are still in force. That means your grievance procedures, representation rights, and bargaining obligations all remain intact. If anyone tells you the union is suspended, that's not true under this injunction. Now, this isn't the final word yet, guys. The case is going to keep moving forward, but it is an important win. Judge Friedman has already ruled for labor multiple times in disputes tied to this order, and he was clear the national security exclusion is narrow. It cannot be stretched into a tool to punish unions or strip away rights protected under law. So here's what to do next. If you hear mixed messages from management, document what's said. Bring it up to your union rep. Seek legal guidance here. Stay engaged, keep your union membership current, and don't let confusion be used against you. Southworth PC is going to be right here, keeping you informed and protected. And while we don't give legal advice in this forum, we will keep breaking down what's real, what's rumor, and what's next, so you can focus on your mission and your rights.